just putting all the controls on, and you got your, leave it loose because you got to put your grip on and kind of adjust it. It's a little tight, but I find what makes it easier is we use the lubricant God gave us. A little spit in the grip. Just give it a twist as you're going. The spit it'll dry. It'll be gone, and the grip will stay in place. You've used that spit for lubricant before, and you have to keep spitting, right? So it does dry. But once you get it, it's already starting to dry, see? And right on time, because it's right where we need it. So, start doing some adjustments. Clean that bad boy down. Get some of the spit off that flew all over. Cleaned off, and we'll be good to go.